Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing exercise 22A trigonometry from ICSE book of class 9, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 15 in our previous video. Today we'll start right from question number 16 onward. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 16 of exercise 22A. Okay, if tan x equals to 1 whole 1 upon 3, value of tan x is given to us. Find the value of 4 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 2. Okay, we are asked to find the value of this expression. So let us do this question. Since tan x equals to 1 whole 1 upon 3, this is the given equation, isn't it? Or tan x equals to, we can convert this into improper fraction. Okay, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3, isn't it? So tan theta is perpendicular upon base, isn't it? Turns permanently black. Perpendicular upon base, that means perpendicular is 4, base is 3, hypotenuse is unknown to us, so question mark. Okay, now let us apply Pythagoras theorem and find the value of h. Okay, since h square equals to p square plus b square, or h square equals to, what is p? P is 4, perpendicular is 4, 4 square plus what is b? Base is 3, 3 square, or h square equals to 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, isn't it? Or h equals to 16 plus 9 is 25. Now let us take this square to the right hand side, it becomes square root, or h equals to root under 25 means 5, isn't it? So 5 5s are 25, isn't it? So we found h, hypotenuse is 5, isn't it? Now let us find the value of this expression. Okay, so since 4 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 2, so we will find the value of this expression. Or 4 we write as it is. Sin theta means some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse, isn't it? So p by h whole square, we have squared here, isn't it? Minus 3 cos theta means curly brown here, base upon hypotenuse, so we have square here also, we put square plus 2. Okay, not or, equal to. Okay, equal to 4. Now let us write what is p. P is 4, perpendicular is 4, 4 upon hypotenuse, hypotenuse is 5 whole squared, minus 3 we write as it is. B is 3. Okay, base is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, isn't it? So we write 5 whole squared plus 2. This gives us 4 into 4 square is 16, 5 squared is 25, minus this 3 into 3 squared is 9 upon 5 squared is 25 plus 2. Okay, so the LCM is 25, isn't it? We have 25 in the denominators, so we write 25. Now 25 1s are 25, that 1 into 4, 4 into 16. Okay, so 4 into 16 I write here. 4 6 are 24, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 64, minus 25 1s are 25, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 9 is 27, 3 9s are 27, plus we have 1 in the denominator of this number, so 1 into 25 is 25, that means 25 2s are 50. Okay, now we have two positive numbers, 50 and 64. Okay, let us add up these two numbers. 50 plus 64 is 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 6 is 11, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 6 is 11, minus 27 upon 25, isn't it? So this gives us 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, now this becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 87 upon 25. So we cannot cancel this number. Okay, now 87 upon 25 is an improper fraction. Let us convert this into mixed fraction. 87 upon 25. 87 upon 25. 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, isn't it? 75. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 3 whole 12 upon 25. This gives us 3 whole. This 12 remainder we write here and 25 in the denominator. Okay, 3 whole 12 upon 25. So this is the answer, value of this expression. Okay, so we were asked to find the value of that expression. So I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. Let's do question number 17. We have, if cosec theta equals to root 5, find the value of question number 1 of 17. 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, the value of cosec theta is given to us, that is root 5. So we are asked to find the value of this expression. So let us do this question. Since cosec theta equals to root 5, this is given, isn't it? Now let us write 1 in the denominator, isn't it? Every number has 1 in the denominator, so we can write 1 in the denominator. So cosec theta means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Opposite of sine theta is cosec theta, isn't it? So we have hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given to us root 5. Perpendicular is 1. Now we need base. Base is unknown to us, so question mark. Okay, now let us use Pythagoras theorem and find base. Okay, since we know that base square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, or base square equals to, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root 5. So we write root 5 here square minus perpendicular is 1 square, or base squared equals to root 5 square. Root 5 squared is 5. Okay, root 2 squared is 2. Root x squared is x. So root 5 squared is basically root 5 into root 5, isn't it? So root 5 into root 5 is 5. Minus 1 squared is 1. 1 1s are 1. Or b equals to 5 minus 1 is 4. Now this square when taken to the right hand side becomes root under, or b equals to root under 4 means 2. 2 2s are 4, isn't it? So the value of base is 2. So we found base, that is 2. Okay, now let us find the value of this expression. Okay, since 2 minus sine square theta minus cos square theta, so we are asked to find the value of this expression, isn't it? So 2 minus sine theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Some people have, isn't it? Whole squared minus cos theta means curly brown hair, base upon hypotenuse, whole squared. We have squared here. So 2 minus p is perpendicular, so perpendicular is 1. So 1 upon hypotenuse is root 5 whole squared. Okay, minus b is 2. Okay, hypotenuse is root 5 whole squared, isn't it? So this gives us 2 minus, so this square is for both the numerator and denominator, isn't it? So 1 squared is 1, 1 1s are 1. Root 5 squared is root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Okay, minus 2 squared is 2 2s are 4. Minus root 5 squared is 5, isn't it? So the LCM is 5, isn't it? So we take the LCM 5. So we write 1 in the denominator of 2. Okay, so 1 into 5 gives us this 5, isn't it? So that 5 into 2 is 5 2s are 10, minus 5 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1, minus 5 1s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Okay, so 4 and 1 is negative, so 10 is positive, we write 10 as it is. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 upon 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, and the sign of greater number comes here plus, so need we need not write that. Okay, so we write 5 in the denominator. 5 and 5 cancels out, so 1 is the answer. Okay, so the value of this expression is 1. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question, question number 2 of 17. Okay, so question number 2 of 17. So we are asked to find the value of 2 plus 1 upon sine square theta minus cos square theta upon sine square theta. Okay, hypotenuse is root 5, perpendicular is 1, base is 2. So let us do this. 2 plus 1 upon sine theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so whole squared. Okay, we write squared here, minus cos theta means curly brown here, whole squared, isn't it? Cos whole squared, whole upon sine theta means some people have whole squared, isn't it? We have squared here, so we must write squared. So 2 plus, now this hypotenuse goes to the numerator. Okay, h upon p whole squared, minus this minus we write here, b by h whole squared, b by h whole squared, into, now this h goes to the numerator and this p comes down to the denominator. Okay, whole squared. Now let us put the values of h, p and b. Okay, hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. 2 plus, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root 5, isn't it? So hypotenuse is root 5. Hypotenuse is root 5. Okay, upon perpendicular is 1 whole squared, minus, what is base? Base is 2. Okay, base is 2 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is root 5 whole squared, into hypotenuse is root 5, perpendicular is 1, isn't it? 1 whole squared. So this gives us 2 plus root 5 squared means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 5 upon 1 squared means 1, minus 2 squared is 4 upon root 5 squared is 5. Okay, into root 5 squared is 5 upon 1 squared is 1, isn't it? So this 5 from the denominator and this 5 from the numerator can be cancelled, isn't it? So 5 upon 1 means 5. So plus 2 plus 5 is plus 7, plus 2 plus 5. 5 upon 1 means 5, isn't it? So plus 2 plus 5 is plus 7, minus, so we have 4 into 1, isn't it? So this is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is the value for this expression. Okay, 2 plus 1 upon sine square theta minus cos square theta upon sine square theta is 3. Okay, in the next chapter we will learn the formula. When we know the formula, then it will be much easier. We can write this in this way also. 2 plus 1 upon sine square theta is cosec square theta. Okay, minus cos square theta upon sin square theta is cot square theta. I will give you the formula in the next video. Okay, in the next chapter. So this becomes 2 plus, okay, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So only in 2 steps you will get the answer. Here we have to do this much, isn't it? So this would have been much easier, but we should know the formula for that. I'll teach you that formula in the next video. Okay, now let us move on to the next question, question number 18. Okay, now let us do question number 18. If sec a equals to root 2, find the value of 3 cos square a plus 5 tan square a whole upon 4 tan square a minus sin square a. Okay, the value of sec a is given to us root 2. So we are asked to find the value of this expression, isn't it? So let us do this question. Since sec a equals to root 2, this is the given condition, isn't it? So we can write 1 in the denominator, because when there is no number, we should understand there is 1 in the denominator, isn't it? So sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, isn't it? Opposite of cos theta is sec theta. So we have hypotenuse equals to root 2, okay, base equals to 1, and perpendicular equals to unknown, isn't it? Question mark. we don't know perpendicular. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem and find perpendicular. Okay, since p square equals to h square minus b square, isn't it? This is the Pythagoras theorem. Or p square equals to, what is h? H is root 2. So we write root 2 here, whole squared minus base is 1 squared. Or p squared equals to root 2 squared is 2 minus 1 squared is 1. Or p equals to 2 minus 1 is 1. This square, let us take to the right hand side, root 1. Or p equals to root under 1 means 1, isn't it? So perpendicular is also 1. Okay, hypotenuse is root 2, base is 1, and perpendicular is 1. Now we are asked to find the value of this expression, isn't it? So let us straight away write the values. 3 cos theta means curly brown here, base upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. So cos square, isn't it? So we put square here, plus this 5, we write as it is, into tan theta means perpendicular upon base, whole square, tan square, isn't it? Whole square, whole upon 4, we write here as it is, tan theta means perpendicular upon base, whole square, minus this minus sin theta means some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse, whole square. Now 3, we write as it is. What is base? Base is 1, perpendicular is 1, base is 1, hypotenuse is root 2, isn't it? So base 1, hypotenuse root 2, whole square, plus this 5, we write here as it is, perpendicular is 1, base is 1, whole square, whole upon 4, perpendicular 1, base 1, whole square, minus perpendicular 1, hypotenuse root 2, whole square, perpendicular 1, hypotenuse root 2, 1 upon root 2. Okay, so this 3 we write here as it is, 1 squared is 1 upon root 2 squared is 2. Okay, plus 1 squared is 1, 1 squared is 1, so 1 upon 1 is 1, so 5 into 1 is 5, isn't it? This whole thing is 1 upon 1 means 1, 1 squared is 1, isn't it? 1 upon 1 means 1, 1 whole square means 1, so 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, in the denominator we have 1 upon 1 means 1, 1 upon 1 means 1, squared, 1 squared is 1, that 1 into 4 is 4, okay, minus 1 squared is 1 upon root 2 squared is 2. Okay, now 3 ones are 3 upon 2, isn't it? So here in the denominator of 5 we have 1, so the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, that 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, isn't it? Plus 1 into 2 is 2, so 2 5s are 10. Are you getting me? 2 ones are 2, that 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, plus we write here plus 1 into 1 into 2 is 2, so 2 into 5 is 10. Okay, and in the denominator we have, so let us assume 1 here, the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 again, so 1 into 2 is 2, so 2 into 4 is 8, minus, okay, this minus 2 ones are 2, that 1 into 1 is 1, so this 2 from the denominator and this 2 from the denominator can be cancelled. Okay, so let me continue here. 3 plus 10 is 13, and in the denominator 8 minus 1 is 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, so 13 by 7 is the answer. Since this is an improper fraction, let us convert this into mixed fraction. So 7 ones are 7, okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 7 ones are 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 upon 7. So the value of this expression is 1 whole 6 upon 7. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Question number 19. Question number 19. If cot theta equals to 1, find the value of 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. Okay, the value of cot theta is given to us. Cot theta equals to 1. We are asked to find the value of this expression. Okay, so let us do this. Since cot theta equals to 1, this is given to us, isn't it? So in the denominator we don't have number, means we have 1. Okay, cot theta equals to 1 upon 1. So base upon perpendicular, isn't it? Cot theta is just the opposite of tan theta. So we have base 1, perpendicular equals to 1, isn't it? Base is 1, perpendicular 1. So hypotenuse is unknown to us, question mark. Okay, now let us apply Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse. Since we know that h square equals to p square plus b square, this is Pythagoras theorem. So h square equals to p means 1 square plus base means 1, okay, whole squared, or h squared equals to 1 squared is 1 plus 1 squared is 1, or h equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this square goes to the right hand side and becomes root. Hypotenuse equals to root 2. So we found hypotenuse. The value of hypotenuse is root 2. Now let us find the value of this expression. 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. So 5 we write here as it is. Tan theta means perpendicular upon base, whole squared, plus 2 we write here as it is. Sin theta means some people have, minus 3, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, isn't it? So 5. What is p? P is 1, b is 1, h is root 2, isn't it? So p 1, b 1 whole squared plus 2, p is 1, hypotenuse is root 2 whole squared, hypotenuse is root 2, okay, minus 3. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So 1 squared is 1. 1 into 5 is 5, isn't it? So plus, okay, this plus we write here. 1 squared is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 into 2 is 2, okay. 1 squared is 1. 1 into 2 is 2 upon root 2 squared is 2. Root 2 squared means root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, okay. Root x into root x is x. Now we have minus 3 here. This 2 and 2 can be cancelled, okay. So we have 1 here. So 5 plus 1. This 5 is also positive. This 1 is also positive. Plus 5 plus 1 is plus 6 minus 3. Okay. 6 minus 3 is 3, isn't it? So sign a positive number comes here, greater number, okay. So the value of this expression is plus 3. Okay, now let us do the next question, question number 20. Okay, now let us do question number 20, the last question from this exercise, exercise 22a. In the following figure, so this is the figure given to us, okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. This symbol is for perpendicular, okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC, means 90 degree. AC is 26. The length of AC is given to us 26, okay. CD is 10. CD is 10. And BC is 42. BC, total BC is 42. CD is 10. So this much is how much? 32, isn't it? 42 minus 10 is 32. 42 minus 10 is 32, isn't it? Total BC is 42. CD is 10, so BD must be 32, okay. Now angle DAC, angle A, okay, DAC, this is X, and angle B is Y. This is given to us. So we are asked to find the value of cot X, okay. Cot X means cot theta is base upon perpendicular, isn't it? Base upon perpendicular. So, but we must see this angle. Angle is X. Cot X. Angle is X. When we talk about this angle, AD becomes base and CD becomes perpendicular. isn't it? So first of all, let us find AD. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, we have, since we have AC, that is hypotenuse, equals to 26, CD equals to 10. Okay, perpendicular is 10. Now AD base equals to question mark. Now AD square, applying Pythagoras theorem, AD means base square equals to hypotenuse square, means AC square, minus perpendicular square, CD square, isn't it? Base square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Okay, base square equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, or AD whole squared equals to AC is 26 whole squared minus CD is 10 whole squared, or AD whole squared equals to 26 squared is 576, isn't it? 26 squared. So the shorter way to find the square is 2 squared is 4. Okay, 6 squared is 36. Now we multiply all these three numbers. 2 6 are 12, 12 2 are 24. So 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 7 6. 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 7 6. 26 square means 6 7 6, minus 10 squared is 100, or AD equals to 6 minus 0 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, so 6 minus 1 is 5. So this square goes to the right hand side and becomes root under, isn't it? So it's 76, 576 a perfect square. Let's check 576. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we bring this 2 here, add up, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we bring down this 76. Now 6. 6 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 are 24. 6 6 are 36. 6 4 are 24. Oh, that means 4, I think so. Okay, 4 4 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17, so 24, or AD equals to root under 576 means 24. Okay, 24 is the square root of 576, isn't it? So we found AD is 24. Okay, let me write AD is 24. Now cot x is base upon perpendicular. Base, when we talk about this angle, base is AD. AD is base, upon perpendicular is CD. Okay, so AD is given to us, AD is 24 and CD is 10. So this is an improper fraction, so 2 5s are 10, isn't it? Okay, you can write this way also. We eliminate this 0 and put a decimal number before one digit in the numerator. Okay, we remove 0 from the denominator and put a decimal point before one digit in the numerator. So the value of cot x is 2.4. Now let us find the value of 1 upon sine square y. 1 upon sine square y means 1 upon, okay, some people have perpendicular square upon hypotenuse square, isn't it? Some people have perpendicular upon hypotenuse whole squared, okay, minus 1 upon tan y, same angle, isn't it? So perpendicular upon base whole squared, or let me do here. So this h goes to the numerator, h into 1 is h upon p whole squared, minus this b goes to the numerator, b upon p whole squared. Okay, so h, what is h? When we talk about angle y, please take note, please, we must be careful. Okay, here angle was x, here the angle is y, so we are talking about this angle, angle y. So hypotenuse, when we talk about this angle, hypotenuse becomes AB. Hypotenuse is AB, okay? So we don't know AB. So let us find AB first. Please take the screenshot, okay? I'm erasing this now. Let us find AB. In triangle ADB, okay? Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AB, that is hypotenuse square, AB is hypotenuse, isn't it? Square equals to perpendicular is AD square plus base square, base is BD square, okay? Or AB whole squared equals to what is AD? AD is 24, isn't it? So 24 squared plus BD is 32 squared, or AB equals to, let me write square, 24 squared is 576, isn't it? 24 squared is 576 plus 32 squared. So 32 squared is 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. So single digit means we need to write 0 4, okay? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 4, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. 1024. 1024. Or AB equals to 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10, okay? 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6, and this one we write here, okay? 6 plus 4 10, 1 hand, 7 plus 2 9, plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 hand, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, now this one comes here. Now root, this square goes to the right hand side and becomes root, or AB equals to, root under 16 means root of 16 is 4, isn't it? Double zero root means single zero, okay? So the value of AB is 40. AB is 40. Now when we talk about this angle, hypotenuse is AB upon perpendicular is AD, isn't it? Perpendicular is AD whole squared minus base. Base is DB or BD. Base upon perpendicular. Perpendicular is AD. AD whole squared. Now what is AB? AB 40. AB is 40. Okay. AD is 24, isn't it? 24 whole squared minus BD is, what is BD? BD is 32, isn't it? 32. AD, what is AD? AD is 24 whole squared. Now we can cancel this. 6 4s are 24, okay? Oh, 4 6 are 24, 4 10s are 40, 4 6 are 24, 4 10, we cancel with 8, okay, because I don't have much space to write here. 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 40, so 5 upon 3. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 5 upon 3 whole squared, isn't it? So this is 5 upon 3 whole squared, okay? Let me write one step. 5 upon 3 whole squared minus this is 4 upon 3 whole squared. 4 upon 3 whole squared, isn't it? So please take the screenshot of this, okay? I'm erasing this also. Now we have 5 squared is 25. This square is for both the numerator and denominator. So 5 squared is 25 upon 3 squared is 9 minus 4 squared is 16 upon 3 squared is 9, isn't it? So denominators are equal, so the LCM will be 9, and we write the same numbers in the numerator, okay? If the denominators are equal, we need not multiply, we just write as it is, okay? 25 minus 16 is 9, isn't it? 25 minus 16 is 9 upon 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9. So the value of this expression 1 upon sin square y minus 1 upon tan square y is 1. Okay, let us do the next question, question number 3 of 20. Now let us do question number 3 of 20, okay, from exercise 22a. So we are asked to find the value of this expression 6 upon cos x minus 5 upon cos y plus 8 tan y. Okay, so here angle is x, and in these two cases angle is y. Okay, so 6 upon cos theta, angle is x. When we are talking about this angle, this is base, AD is base and CD is perpendicular, AC is hypotenuse. AC is always the hypotenuse, okay, longest side. So cos theta means curly brown here, base upon hypotenuse. So when we talk about this angle, base is AD and hypotenuse is AC. So 24 upon 26, base upon hypotenuse, 24 upon 26, isn't it, cos x. Okay, so minus 5 cos y. So we are talking about this angle now. Base is BD, hypotenuse is AB, isn't it? So cos y means curly brown hair, base upon hypotenuse. Base is BD, BD is 32 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 40 plus 8 tan y. Again this angle, tan theta, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AD, base is BD. So AD is 24 upon BD is 32, isn't it? Now this 26 goes to the numerator. 6 into 26 upon 24. Okay, this 26 goes to the numerator, minus 5 is already in the numerator, this 40 goes to the numerator, 40 upon 32 plus, so 8 into 24, let me cancel this. Okay, 8 4s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 6, isn't it? So let us cancel this also. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 13s are 26. Now let us cancel this. 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32, isn't it? Now we cannot cancel further. So the LCM is 2 and 4, LCM is 4. Okay, so 2 into 2 gives us 4, isn't it? 2 into 2 gives us 4. That 2 into 13 is 26 minus 4 1s are 4. 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, plus, so we have 1 here. 1 into 4 is 4, so that 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, now let me continue here. So this 25 is negative, 26 and 24 is positive, isn't it? So 26 minus 25 is plus 1, plus 26 minus 25 is plus 1. So 24 plus 1 is 25. This gives us 25 plus 25 upon 4. Are you getting me? Minus 25 plus 26. This gives us plus 1. Plus 1 plus 24 is plus 25 upon 4. Okay, so 25 upon 4 is an improper fraction. Let us convert this into mixed fraction. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay, so this is the value of this expression, and the answer for the last question, that is question number 3 of 20. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, thank you so much. Stay connected. Okay, I'll upload the next chapter in the next video. Thank you.